spaghetti,
Hello my friends, welcome to Training Cooking channel. Today I will show you how to make fast and furious red sauce for pasta. Let's go! First step, we need whisker and hot water. Why hot? It will be faster. We must set on full auto.
spaghetti,
In the kitchen, there are always imperfections. Love me some white powder.
Next step, we need some salt. So, true sea salt. In Slavic country we don't use ščepac, we use this, štamperle. So, this is our metric system. For this bad boy, 1 and this. What's this 1 centimeter of salt in štamperljada? Okay. Is it enough? Yeah, I think so. Too much salt's not healthy for the heart, you know. We need tomato sauce, 200 G's. It will be enough for 2 personas. But don't use Italian, because they flee from the battlefield. You'll have some troubles. This one will be fit for sauce. Sauce is on 3 spices. Cebula, česan, oreganos, basilicos. Some people say that this is a must for every meal, but I like it instant.
But garlic and onion are the base of every meal.
Shut up, Van Helsing. Go to Transylvania, not in this house. Like I said, instant is faster. Na ogen mas. Make it rain. Anion garlic simultaneously. Next, basilic and oregano. They don't call me season whisperer for nothing. Now we need to slide. Now let it bleed in peace. Ooh, very nice. You can feel the fire. Just put it on this on low temperature for a few minutes so the taste expands. Every meal takes sacrifice. The water is bubbling. It's time to slay macaroni. So they don't go off. If they don't want to go down, you must help them with a knife. And then drown. They say 9, but they're always lying. 007 James Bond. Now we have 7 minutes to finish the pasta. So, there. A little water. Shake it till you make it. Just a little salt, not too much. and sugar, but just a little, so the taste connects. Okay.
Spaghetti.
If you like olives, you can put it in the sauce.
Tomato.
Ah. But not too much, because tomorrow is another day. We can't use all resources for one meal. 4 more. Of course, you need to kill olives also. Come here, my friend. But be gentle, don't scare them. You don't want to destroy your knife. Now I realized that there is not enough tomato for 2. So, you need a brother from another mother. Let's put it on the organ mass. Okay. He's already dead, so you don't need to slay him. Motto is mix it till you fix it. More instant garlic, because of the brother from another mother, so we need to season more. And a little bit of salt. Enough.
Spaghetti.
Now we must taste the macaroni with bare hands. Voila. Macaroni always al dente. I know, I knew that they were lying. About 9 minutes. 007. Push. We need bigger cedilla. We need the bigger one. This one. And this one. It's like Babylon Towers. Let's finish this war. Now the final ingredient. Release the prisoner. Let's taste this. The color, ooh, it's really nice color here. Very nice. And let's taste the olive. Really nice olive. It takes 15 minutes to make this sauce and macaroni, everything. With killing, slaying, everything. So, try it, comment below, share it, or I will find you. And you know how this story ends. See you next time.